Hey team, how you doing? Ray here and here for MotoNZ.com. This is my Tenere A0700 and well, I've just received something in the mail that I reckon is a bit of a game changer. Let me show you. For the last few months I've been running this this Quadlock wireless charging head on my Tenere A0700, charging my phone, and it's quite a cool piece of kit. But the way I've got it wired up is with this USB charging port into the auxiliary power socket of the bike with one of these auxiliary power socket to USB adapters in there. And you know, that's all well and good until you need to leave the bike outside in the rain, and that's just going to fill up with water and short out. So I have to remember to take that off and take it away all the time, which defeats the purpose, maybe, of having something wired onto the bike full time. So Quadlock have released a new accessory to work with the wireless charging head, and this is it. The waterproof 12 volt to USB smart adapter. Now, another thing that I've talked to you about in my series of videos here on YouTube is any modification I do to the bike I like to be as reversible as possible. So I don't really want to go hacking into the wiring of the bike to wire in said wireless charging head. And then of course you're doing all sorts of things with fuses and all sorts of stuff. This head, this here, 12 volt USB to waterproof 12 volt to USB smart adapter, as I understand it, connects directly on the battery and monitors your battery voltage. When the voltage goes above 13 volts, it turns on and starts supplying this, or whatever's plugged into it, with power. And as soon as it goes below, I think it's 12.5 volts, I'll pop it up on the screen for you, it turns off. So you just put it straight on the battery and you're away laughing. No actual wiring required. How cool is that? On the back here, it says it's USB-A, safe for 12 or 24 volt DC, and it will supply up to 18 watts max power. So check that out. IP66 rated as well. Alright, let's install it. Alrighty, first thing to do is take the seats off the bike. Let's open the kit, see what's in there. Warranty information, we don't need that. Alright, this is the bulk of the kit. It's the first time I've opened this, so I'm learning as we go as well. Got some cable ties and looks like a waterproof socket cover. This is our battery terminal side with plug and inline fuse. And this is the brains of the operation. This is our smart bit of kit. There's a switch on it. You can have it on auto, on all the time, or off in the center. Auto is the auto sensing function that monitors your battery voltage and turns off when it gets too low, hopefully supplying you with enough power to keep going. Now I want to have all this under the tank where it's going to stay as dry as possible, so I'm going to run that USB down through the fairings and under here, and then hide the rest of it in the tail of the bike here. They do give you a lot of wire, which is good. Well, it's good and bad. Alright, so this little light here will tell you when the thing fires up. Right now we are less than 13 volts. Turn the key on, everything fires up, still less than 13 volts. Start the bike. And we're up to 13 volts. There you go. So there we have it, reliable, always on power for my Quadlock wireless charging head. My phone can charge wirelessly anytime, anywhere, and it's gonna save my battery. I don't have to splice anything into the loom or anything. So I reckon it's a really good solution if you want to know more information about this. If you're in New Zealand, hit up the motogear.nz website, motogear.co.nz. If you're outside of New Zealand, then search Quadlock and all the information should be there for you. Cheers.